Try to do a little bass fishing today. Just got finished raining probably about an hour ago. So we might be able to catch something. I think I got caught on the tree. Yep, have to break myself off. Oh no, it came off. Okay. I need to put that hook back down in there. There it is. See if they want some of this black worm. Alright, I'm gonna try this whopper plopper. Alright, I moved down here on this end. Couldn't catch nothing up there, so see if we can do anything. That sun has come out. I don't know what kind of tree this is, but it smells good. Okay, got no bite yet. All right, put a night crawler on. I've been out here a while and haven't gotten any bites. Until a few minutes ago, I got my stuff stole. Oh man, there's that turtle again with his head up out the water. Just went back down in the water. It's getting ready to rain. Let's see if he come back up. So I had one night crawler left, and I put the whole thing on there. Let's see what happens. Get something before this rain starts up real bad. See if we can do a little something. Okay, I finally got something on. It look like it's a bass. Look like it's a bass. All day long I've been playing around, ain't got nothing. Oh my goodness, it is a huge bluegill. This joker is a beast. Wow. Man, you catch about 5 of these and you got a good meal. I don't know if it's 5 more of a bite though. I've been all day trying to catch this one. Or anyone. Yeah, they biting.
Pull out the bucket.
Well, get your bucket, brother. Get your bucket. That's a big one, too. Oh, my goodness.
That's the same size as it is.
Yeah, that's what I mean, though.
Yeah, them good hands. I don't know if we're going to throw them back. It might be on the road here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let it go. All right, get your bucket. Yeah, I don't want them. I'm just catching them, y'all. I'm just catching them. I ain't cleaning nothing, so if I ain't cleaning them, I ain't taking them home. Because I don't feel like it. But I tell you what, this is a pretty one. It's awful pretty. Oh, I got my eye on it. Go ahead. Got my eye on his. He getting his bucket. Man, it's taking him off a long time to get that bucket. Well, I'm gonna throw your fish over here. I'm tired of holding it.
Okay.
I'm just gonna throw it over there.
Okay.
It'll be all right. He got to go to sleep anyway. He go night night. That joke is jumping all the way to the water. He smell it. Here he is. Over there. He jumped all the way down there. I was like, oh no, you going back, brother. No, 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 no. I need to go down a little deeper. I think you might need to go a little deeper. I can see how I got it.
Go on your instructions.
So now we back out here trying to see if we can catch some more. Caught them in about 5 minutes, them two. Now they don't want to bite. I think they will though. I believe, you know, they likes to when it's raining.
See that?
Yep. I remember when I was a kid and I was my Godfather took me fishing when that's when I learned how to fish. And boy, it started raining. He said, we ain't going in. That's when these fish be biting. Get your raincoat on.
I definitely wouldn't leave because it was raining. I was leaving because, I was going to try to see.
He's going to try to do something else, huh?
Right.
Yeah. Oh, I know. I'm just saying. When you like, hey, when you like fishing,
that rain don't mean nothing.
Don't mean nothing. It mean
put my raincoat on there.
I was gonna say it's one in the car.
If they biting like that, I ain't going nowhere.
Right.
Now if it's biting, if they ain't biting, then it's
right.
pretty steady. I'm gone.
Yep.
Don't make sense.
Come on, fishy, 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 fishy. I'm going back out. Yep, that is the money spot. You got him.
That's your line, eh?
Yeah, I get. Yeah. Okay. How's the tangle? Oh, okay. Yeah, but that first one was, that was the one. Oh, you didn't see that turtle come right next to my bobber. Yeah, he just said, huh? Hold on, brother. I'm coming right on back. You want a bite? I got one for you. Coming right back. Okay, where y'all at? Don't y'all want to play? Okay, let's get it on back over there. I bet y'all didn't think I would fish in the rain, huh? It ain't pouring down, so we can do this. Okay, we got him. We got it. We got it. Are we doubling up here? We doubling up. Okay. Okay, we doubling up. Woo! And yours is bigger than mine.
This time.
Woo! Oh, that's a little bitty one too. Yeah, you going on back. You keeping him? Yeah. Uh-huh. Go back over here and see if we catch us a nuttin'. A nuttin', just like the other. Oh, I wonder if You see that glassy line going right through there? I wonder if that's a path that they take. You know what I'm saying? I wonder if right down in the water. I'm talking.
I see exactly what you're talking about. Because you got other little spots you can see like that.
Yeah, I'm wondering if.
Going that way. They're going
Yeah.
right here. They're going right there. They're going right there.
Yeah, so I'm wondering if those are like, you know, whoa,
Look at that.
what was that? A turtle?
Maybe a turtle.
That's a big one, wasn't it?
Maybe she's scared like that. Could be a bass.
Could-
Sometimes bass will be in.
Yeah,
But
sometimes.
they just don't bite. They
Yeah.
be spawning and stuff. You know what I mean?
Right.
But they don't bite. That's right up in here.
Oh yeah,
Come in, go out, come in. Go out.
I done walked up on them before. Yeah, that kind of makes me think that those are deep spots. Cause like you said, there's another one over there. Yeah.